Rice water for hair in need of repair. When hair lacks protein, it misbehaves, with frizz, split ends, and hair loss. Rice water mist combats the issues to repair your hair and soothe your scalp. Rice plant mist with rice water for fuller-looking hair. Rice water contains amino acids to repair and condition the hair, and inositol, which penetrates your cuticle and fortifies from within to prevent breakage. Through fermentation, rice water becomes unstoppable. Fermentation boosts antioxidants and keeps the rice water's pH low, to balance the scalp. It keeps hair follicles soothed to promote thickness. Bioactive ingredients. Biotin, palmetto, and panthenol fortify rice water's natural effects. They moisturize, give the hair a thicker look, and address the root causes of thinning hair. Always safe natural. At Inoka, we guarantee high-quality, natural products that create wellness from within. Our mist is vegan, cruelty-free, and made without harsh silicones and sulfates. From thin brittle to long healthy. If your hair seems thin or brittle, lack of protein is the likely culprit. Harsh hairstyling, sun exposure, and bleaching take their toll, but fermented rice water offers serious repair. With bioactive fermented rice water, biotin, and palmetto, our fermented rice water hair mist combats these issues. Brittle, weak hair. Fine hair prone to breakage. Split ends. Bleach color damage. Thinning hair. Top reviews from the United States. Soft, shiny hair. I spray it in my hair and leave it in all night and it makes my hair so soft and shiny.